Creamy, cheesy, and utterly irresistible. The kind of meal that makes everyone ask for seconds. Greetings, Sanbonani, and a warm welcome. My name is CBO. Let's begin. For beef filling, we'll use ground beef or minced meat, chopped onions and garlic, cannelloni, pasta cubes, marinara or passata, or homemade tomato sauce. Sugar, that's optional. In a pan on high heat, heat the oil. Then brown the minced meat or the ground beef. I will leave a list of ingredients and more information in the description box below. Season with salt and pepper. Stir. And once it's browned, take it out with a slotted spoon. This is done to drain the oil. In the same pan with same oil, fry the onion. I've decided to add the celery. Stir as they fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add thyme or the Italian herbs. Stir. Add the minced or grated garlic cloves. Stir and fry for 1 minute. Add the paprika, preferable smoked paprika. Then add the ground nutmeg. You may add cinnamon too. Stir. Allow them to blend for about 1 minute. Then add back the ground beef or minced meat. Add the marinara or passata. Stir. Save some for later for assembling. If it is dry, gradually add water or beef stock and stir. If you've never pressed the subscribe button, please subscribe and press the notification bell. Support the channel. It is free to subscribe. Remove the thyme sprigs. Add the chopped parsley, that's optional. Stir. Allow the ingredients to marry each other, then set it aside to cool. Let's make the bechamel sauce. We will use butter, the flour, milk, salt, pepper, the fresh nutmeg, and egg yolks. On medium heat in a pan, melt the butter, then sprinkle the flour. Stir with a whisk to avoid lumps. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Gradually add the warm milk to avoid lumps. Continually stir until it is smooth. If you like these kinds of recipes, please press the like button and leave a comment below. Don't be scared that it looks this lumpy. Trust the process and continue. Once the sauce gets smooth, sprinkle salt, a little bit of pepper, then the fresh nutmeg. Stir. Once it bubbles, remove it from the heat. Cool it. Meanwhile, separate the eggs. Once it cools in such a way that you can put your finger in the sauce, add the egg yellows and stir until they are all blended. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's assemble. Spread the marinara or tomato sauce in a casserole dish. Cover the whole surface to avoid the pasta getting stuck at the bottom. To fill the pasta cubes, you may pipe the minced sauce or ragu. Or use a teaspoon to fill them, or your clean hands or wear gloves to push the meat sauce into the cubes. Lay the pasta cubes on top of the tomato sauce. Continue filling them and laying them until the whole base is covered. Once the base is covered, add a layer of tomato sauce or marinara or passata. Spread to make sure that all parts are covered. Spread the layer of bechamel sauce, covering every part. If you would like to make multiple layers of the pasta, do not add all of the ingredients in one layer, meaning reserve some for the next layer. Grate your cheeses. I've used only the mozzarella. I did not have the Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle the mozzarella cheese with Parmesan or only the mozzarella cheese. Cover the whole surface. You may either cover the casserole dish with the aluminium foil. I used its lid. Bake it for 30 minutes while it's closed. Then open the lid and continue baking it for another 15 to 30 minutes or until it's bubbling and it's golden on the edges like this. The aroma in the house was amazing. Cool or allow it to set for 5 to 10 minutes before cutting and serving it. It will still be hot. This hearty comfort dish is often served as a main course, sometimes accompanied by garlic bread or side salad. Please do not forget to press the like button and leave me a comment below. I hope you will enjoy this delicious meal. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. You are loved. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.